All breastfeeding mamas, please watch this 1-minute video carefully. A good latch is crucial for you and your baby to have a successful breastfeeding experience. Let me guide you through these 7 critical steps. First, find a comfortable position for breastfeeding. This could be sitting upright in a chair with good back support or lying on your side if that's more comfortable for you. Next, gently hold your baby close to you, supporting their neck, shoulders, and back with your arm and hand. Make sure your baby's head and body are in a straight line. The baby's chin should touch the breast first, and the nose should be opposite the nipple. This encourages the baby to open their mouth wide and take a large portion of the areola into their mouth, not just the nipple. Wait for your baby to open their mouth wide, like a big yawn. This is the key to a good latch. When your baby opens wide, bring them quickly to your breast, aiming your nipple towards the roof of their mouth, not the center. Their lips should be flanged outward like fish lips, not tucked in. Once latched, you should feel a gentle tugging or pulling sensation, but it shouldn't be painful. If it hurts, gently insert your finger into the corner of your baby's mouth to break the suction and try again. Look for signs that your baby is well latched. Their chin should be pressed into your breast, their cheeks should be rounded, and you may hear or see them swallowing. Remember, breastfeeding should be comfortable and enjoyable for both you and your baby. If you're having trouble with latching, don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant or your obstetrician.